Hi guys and gals. Good to be back here in front of you. Primarily I wanted to apologise. When I did the last vidcast on air guns for John and Susi, I said I'd put the next episode up in a week's time. Sadly, the equipment that I was using had a major breakdown and I've been waiting on parts. That seems to be somewhat resolved now, so very soon I will release that vidcast. I'll just tell you briefly my history. I'm 75 years old and I've shot in 3 disciplines through my life, and on 2 occasions coming up for selection for Olympic teams. The first one was big bore shooting for probably 18 years or so, shooting 7.62 and on Sport Co-owned marks. I then shot for nearly 20 years in archery, but I always had a fascination for air rifles and still have to this day. And when PCP became available, I really switched onto that. Please bear with me. There are those of you that think your PCP is never going to group, and I'm here to tell you, if you've got a PC that won't group, you're probably 1 in 1,000 of the people. What usually happens is you can't get a group in the PCP air rifle because you actually haven't been shown what to do. Archery is the hardest discipline of any shooting discipline. PCP is in some ways quite similar because it's not so much the rifles we're using, but there's a huge amount of work to be done with pellet selection and remedying pellet faults. I've yet to work on any air gun that I couldn't resolve and shoot really good groups with. So please bear with me, and in about a week's time the gun will be back in 2 days, and I'll put it together and we'll start getting going. But trust me, there are hard yards if you want to be good shooting air rifles. It's like archery. It's a very difficult discipline. Powder burners have got it easy because they're doing maximum velocity before they leave the barrel. I've been a powder burner and it's much easier than what we've chosen to do. But let me help you. I mean, I'm 60 years in, I know what I'm doing. Thanks guys. Talk to you soon.